Next up, we have a session by Edu expert, Mr. Gagan Agarwal, Leader Academic Partnership, IBM, our presenting partner.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. Honored delegates, the organizers, I'm sure everybody would be eager to break for lunch, so I'll try to keep my presentation short and simple. Can we have the presentation on the screen, please? Thank you. So the theme of the presentation that we have chosen for today is envisioning India as the skill capital of the world by way of industry and academia collaboration. This is a theme that is very close to our heart. IBM embarked on this journey almost 10-15 years back when this was kind of unheard in the academia space. And we are one of the first companies which actually started industry-academia collaboration in India. But before I talk more about what we do, and how we are living this mission, I'd like to show a small video showing how IBM has transformed over the years. Being a 100-plus-year-old company, IBM has learned the skill of adaptability, continuous transformation, and development in-house before we go and train the students the same values outside. Can we have the audio, please?
Wait for me, girl, wait for me. Wait for me, girl, wait for me. Wait for me, world, wait for me. Wait for me, world, wait for me. Wait for me. Better keep up till the sun goes down. Don't chase that boat till the blood come out. Wait for me, butterfly, wait for me. I'm only trying to set you free. Wait for me, problems, wait for me. I'm only human, so let me be. Let me be. Better keep up till the sun goes down. Don't chase that boat till the blood come out. Better keep up till the sun goes down.
So this was just a brief overview of how IBM has continuously transformed itself, reinvented itself over the years. I belong to a team called IBM Career Education, which started industry academia collaboration almost 14-15 years back in India. Our team is 14 years old, and we have been very active in the industry since then. Initially, we used to give courses free of cost for students, but typically what happens is a student, thanks to their age and the insights they have, they would happily stand in a queue for 2 hours for a free cup of coffee outside Starbucks, but they would not appreciate the free access to course content or training as much. So we moved to a cost recovery system where the students are more interested, and the university has the capability of integrating courses into their credit structure. We have had over 350 unique customers over the years of our existence, and we are very selective in our associations. We don't partner with more than 10 to 15 new associations every year. Every year, we typically train on an average of 100,000 plus students. Last year, I think it was closer to 125,000 students that we trained. We have been growing at a steady pace, and we want to make it even faster and bigger going forward. So what do? We primarily cater to students, academia, developer ecosystem, and not just developer ecosystem, but also faculty members for upskilling and reskilling of themselves. Recently, we have also started upskilling and reskilling of working executives and government bodies. And in this, we have been working very closely with various academic bodies to drive this transformation or upskilling for government organizations and working executives. We cover all the emerging technologies, we cover all government bodies, we cover private universities and colleges, and even polytechnics and skill development organizations. Our objective is very simple: to drive deep skilling and training in emerging technologies for the students and anybody who wants to upskill or reskill themselves. Our values are based on 4 pillars, as I like to call it. The first pillar is, of course, the technological platform or the content. And then second pillar is our SMEs or the people. Third pillar is the platform that we provide to the students. And fourth, of course, is the continuously reinvented content that we provide to students. In most of our programs, we have our IBM SMEs who go to the campus, train the students and come back, and they add value in terms of their experience and expertise. All our SMEs who are deployed for such trainings have minimum of 5 to 6 years of experience in that domain, be it AI or whatever, blockchain or whatever domain we choose. They are minimum MTech or above, and this helps our partner universities in also getting NAC accreditation, as these resources are shown as their faculty members. We have our own content platform where we give course access to the students, and these content is revised and upgraded mandatorily every 1.5 years. The platform is designed in such a way that students can access it from any tool, be it or any device, be it a laptop, computer, or mobile. So we facilitate in real-time learning for the students, and we can monitor students' progress in real time. We have a huge bouquet of courses, and which is growing bigger with the passing time. We have both self-paced courses, which is essentially audio and video-based courses, as well as instructor-led courses, which is kind of a digital book. Of course, instructor-led courses are more complex in nature, and we believe that students need a fair bit of hand-holding to complete these courses. This is just a snapshot of the various emerging technologies we are present in, and where we have our courses, training, and skilling programs running. Quantum computing on the top is the latest edition that we have, which we are launching this year, and we are looking to partner with limited number of institutions to launch our quantum computing courses. I'm happy to announce that we developed the quantum computing curriculum. In fact, the team from IBM developed the quantum computing curriculum in collaboration with AICTE, and our team of SMEs, along with AICTE and some other industry members, have developed this curriculum in-house. We just completed our first round of FDP, or the Faculty Development Program, in quantum computing yesterday. We have also, since last year, we have also launched specific programs on generative AI, where we give access to Watson X and train the students on how to leverage generative AI as a specialization program. This was first launched in Gujarat in Adani Institute, but we are seeing a lot of interest from students and academic bodies on this specialization, as generative AI is the buzzword of the world, and we provide enough and more capabilities for the students, the institute, and the faculty members to get their hands dirty, do hands-on exercises, unlimited exercises through the year of the learning period. So how do we engage? We are very customizable, we are very flexible, and as you can see, we have different models, different type of engagements to suit each type of organization's need. If it's a private or autonomous university or a college, engagement process is different, and the types of engagement that we can do is quite different from how we would engage with a government university or a government-owned body. And but of course, in case of government bodies, the going might be a little longer because the MOU process, the approval process is a little more complicated, so to speak. But we have very sound association with government universities, and we are at some of the universities, we are training upwards of 50,000 students every semester. We also have our Center of Excellence that we offer to select institutes or partners. These are deep engagement that we do, where we have more than 200 students, and we do a fair bit of technology transfer. This Center of Excellence essentially leads to that organization being a research hub and technology hub in that domain. The Center of Excellence could be in any emerging technology, be it AI, blockchain, data science, cybersecurity, generative AI, and so on. In fact, I am happy to announce that we are in process of finalizing IIT Kanpur as our latest center of excellence in this year itself. So that brings me to the end of my presentation. I was given 15 minutes, but I see that I have finished in 10 minutes, so that 5 minutes is my presentation, my gift to you all. If you want a copy of this presentation or if you want to connect with me, please scan this QR code and fill in your details. And either I or somebody from my team would be happy to reach out to you. Thank you so much for your time and for your attention. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to invite on stage Mr. Ratndeep Lal, Founder Chairman, International Institute of Fashion Technology, IIFT, New Delhi, to felicitate sir with an award.